Hello and happy Valentine's Day, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Are you a big fan of pink champagne? Well, you're in for a treat. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all some pink champagne cupcakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and we're going to make them completely from scratch. And this recipe is step by step, bursting with pink champagne goodness. And these will be perfect for Valentine's Day, New Year's Eve, birthday parties, even a girls' night out. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these cupcakes. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Valentine's Day recipes playlist and my previous video, pepperoni pizza sliders. I'll post link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cupcake liners, your flour, and open your pink champagne sugar because we're about to bake some pink champagne cupcake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is open up our pink champagne. I'm using the Alma Sweet Rose pink champagne. Make sure you use a good quality pink champagne. Now it's time for the fun part. Time to open it. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. So we're going to measure up 1 cup. Perfect. So now we're ready to cook it. So now we're going to pour our champagne into our saucepan. And I have my fire over medium-low heat. We're going to let this reduce down for about 7 minutes. You don't want it to boil. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our pink champagne has reduced. So now we're going to cut the heat off. And we're going to let this cool completely. Alright, my friends, our champagne's nice and cool. And this is what it looked like after it reduced down. It gave us a 1/2 cup. Now it's time to make the cupcakes. We're going to set this aside and we're going to get started on our dry ingredients first. We're going to measure out 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. So we're going to use our cup. We're going to fluff it up. Then we're going to level it off. Voila, that's 1 cup. We're going to put it in our sifter and bowl. Now we need a 1/2. Fluff it up. And level it off like so. And a perfect 1/2 cup. So now we're going to sift the flour. Alright, so now we're going to set the flour aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup each of sour cream at room temperature and canola oil. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until well combined. Alright, my friends, to our sugar mixture, we're going to add in 2 extra large egg whites at room temperature and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And we're going to mix these until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to add the flour alternately with 2 tablespoons of whole milk at room temperature. We're going to begin and end with flour with the mixer on low. All right, last of the flour. And mix this in until it's well incorporated. All right, my friends, this is what our batter looks like. Nice and smooth. That looks great. All right, there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. The star of the show. Our pink champagne, a fourth of a cup of the reduced pink champagne. And we're going to continue mixing until it's well combined. Alrighty, my friends. Now, this isn't pink champagne cupcakes without adding some pink food coloring. So we're going to add in a few drops. Alright, that's good. And continue mixing until well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends. Our cake batter is complete. Look at this beautiful pink color. I can smell the pink champagne. That looks great. Now we're ready to scoop it into our cupcake pan. We're going to scoop them into 12 cupcake liners. And I got these cute little silver cupcake liners. Aren't they pretty? All right, here we go. Using my ice cream scoop, we're going to scoop the batter about 2/3 of the way. Just scooping right into the liners. Just like that. All right. As soon as I get through scooping my batter into my liners, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my cupcakes together. So now I'm going to bang them to get some of those air bubbles out. All right. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 20 to 22 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've taken my cupcakes out of the oven. It smells fantastic. All right, so now we're going to let the cupcakes cool completely. And while they're cooling, we're going to get started on a luscious buttercream frosting. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. All right, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in 3½ cups of powdered sugar along with a pinch of salt that I sifted, or you can whisk it. We're going to add in a little at a time with the speed on low so that way I won't make a mess. All right, last is the powdered sugar. And mix this until it's well incorporated. All right, my friends, this is what our frosting looks like, nice and whipped. So now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. The first one is our champagne, 2 tablespoons of the reduced pink champagne. We're going to mix this until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in a few drops of pink food coloring. All right, that's good. And continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Our buttercream frosting is complete. Beautiful pink color. Now we're ready to frost our cupcakes. Alright, my friends, I placed my cupcakes onto my cake stand. And I have placed my icing into a piping bag with a star piping tip. I'm just going to pipe it all around the cupcake. Like so. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish piping my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing my cupcakes. Now it's time for the final step. In my bowl, I have pink and white sugar pearls. Just going to sprinkle some right on top of the cupcakes. Alright, as soon as I get through putting all my pearls on, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Pink champagne cupcakes. Don't they look pretty and festive? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cupcake. Have a bite. Look at that texture. Moist and tender. And I can taste the pink champagne. These are terrific, my friends. Your sweetheart would definitely enjoy these. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Delightful. Yum-o. Pink champagne cupcake-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Valentine's Day.